This homemade heat protectant changed my blow dry game. For the first time since my natural hair journey, I got a perfect blowout. Stay tuned as I share the tips and tricks and how I made this homemade heat protectant. This is the condition of my hair that I will be working with. So I struggled so much with blow drying my hair because it wasn't part of what I learned when I first started my natural hair journeys. Before we start the blow drying process, we'll first of all wash our hair. So I wash my hair. This is what is looking like right now, and I got every product out of my hair to make the blow dry process easy. The next thing is to get a good heat protectant. The first ingredients we are going to be using is distilled water. You can use boiled water, bottled water, or any other light water but I'm using distilled water because it is lighter and it has less impurities and it can help prevent frizz. It helps your hair stay cleaner, softer, shinier, and more manageable. The next ingredient is glycerine. Glycerine attracts and locks in moisture from the environment, and it can help prevent breakage because of that, and it also help control frizz and makes the hair smoother and shinier. So that is the reason why we are adding glycerine to this formation. So now I'm adding my hair butter, which I use as leave-in conditioner. You can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice, and the reason why this should be added is because your hair shouldn't only be protected from heat, but it should also be protected from drying out. So this is like a way of adding more moisture to your hair. Argan oil is the most important ingredient in this formation. It has fatty acid that conditions and moisturizes the hair chaff. Argan oil has high heat-borne temperature and the cortical sealing action that can help prevent the hair from heat damage. It has lots of benefits, and I'm going to be putting that in the description box. Please read that. We're going to combine all these ingredients by shaking, and our heat protectant is ready. Here are the ingredient measurements I used to achieve 70 grams of this heat protectant. So I achieved this whole head of blowout without using a comb. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm pressing in my magic into my hair and making sure it goes round my whole hair. And then I'm lightly detangling my hair with my finger. I don't use a comb to blow dry my hair. So I see a lot of you run comb through your hair like hundreds of thousands of times before you get your blow drying done, but that is not the case for me. Just put tension on my hair by pulling and then run the blow dryer through the strands of my hair to make sure that it gets dry, and as it's drying it is stretching out a little. This is just magic and it works perfectly for me. When I dry a little, I run my hand through again the strands of my hair, making sure I remove every shed hair or untangle every mat that may have formed due to the process of pulling and trying to blow it out. When I'm done stretching out, or when I'm done combing out my hair with my hand, I go back with my hand dryer, this time directing the air to the strands of my hair just to get that stretch out look. Even though it has never been in my intention to get a bone straight blowout or in my intention to get a flat press with a hand dryer, I look forward to a silk press sometime, but not now because I am not ready. I put enough tension that is enough to just stretch out the hair for the meantime, and then after a period of time I still go in with my hand to see if there is any clumps or any hair that needs to be on its own. So if you're someone that uses comb, I would advise that this is the point where you add your comb. So
the bounce, I absolutely love myself.
So we're going to twist that up now and then focus on other areas where we need to make bounce and shine at the same time. So if you can see, which I know you can, you will see how shiny, how bouncy, how luxurious this blowout look. So far so good. This is where we have gotten to. This is how far I have come with the blow dry. This process actually looks really simple and easy. It was actually really simple and easy, and I really love myself for going through this route. This is amazing. And now we are done. See, I'm so excited. This hair looks fluffy, looks different from what it was when I started. And I really love the results. My hair feels soft, light, feels fuller, fresher, and I just love everything about this heat protectant. And I love how shiny my hair looks after everything. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited anytime I make my own product and it comes out this amazing. I hope you try it. Leave it in the comment section if you try it. This is just me droning in the joy of how wonderful my hair came out. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next one.